There are more than 19 million women and girls in Canada. They make up half our population. Yet even in 2021, females don't always have the same opportunities as their male counterparts, especially working women. That came into sharper focus during the pandemic. And on this International Women's Day, Abigail Bimman looks at how COVID has set some women back.
Respect us! Protect us! Protect us!
Rallying outside long-term care homes, healthcare workers across Ontario call for better pay, protection, and respect for working women.
Protect us!
Emily Coulter understands the struggle well. She's a personal support worker who contracted COVID-19 in the first wave.
And when you can't be there for your young children and they're not understanding why, it breaks you.
There's a lot of stigma associated with stress burnout.
Abhi Sriharan studies the impact of COVID-19 on the healthcare workforce. She's seen women at all stages of their careers leave their jobs.
It's a woman's issue. She can't handle it. So let's give her some tools to manage. But if we don't make systems level changes, we are going to see this happen.
Of course, it's not just healthcare. Since February 2020, more than 80,000 women have left the workforce compared to 25,000 men.
In Ontario, women's employment rate has fallen back down to levels it was last seen in 1993. In Alberta, it's 1984.
Armin Yalnizyan says this is the first recession where women lost their jobs first. And to build back from a she-cession, we need more women, specifically in the caring economy, taking care of the old, the young, and those too sick to work.
It requires future thinking and planning, and we're not really good at that. We just kind of want to reopen the economy and have everything work again.
While for those parents still in the workforce,
and as cool as people can be when your children bust through a Zoom meeting with a handful of Legos, it is still a complete mental distraction for the parent.
Nearly 2/3 of women reported they were the parent most responsible for homeschooling or helping kids with homework, compared to 19% of men.
And normally before we would have our grandparents or our parents to help us with the kids and play dates with Nanny and Tito, and that is no longer available because we don't want to put them at risk.
Carla Briones says the pandemic has exacerbated the need for affordable childcare. Abigail Bimman, Global News, Ottawa.